So this is my Lancer MX 2000 model, and this one is automatic transmission, and I found the engine oil leak coming from here, so I clean it, spray it with the the brake part cleaner here, and then I run the engine for at least like 15 minutes and drove it, and yeah, now I confirm that the engine oil leak is coming from here, from the engine valve cover. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this and see if we can do some remedy for this one, like put some gasket maker on this, and also since I removed this air filter to intake manifold hose, I'm gonna clean the throttle body, and also I'm gonna clean these spark plugs since I'm gonna remove this ignition coil. So let's do this. Alright guys, so before you do something in your engine, or if you're gonna remove some electrical connection, make sure to remove the negative terminal of your battery. Right, I'm gonna clean this thing and reseal that cylinder head cover. Let's do this. So I put some rags on it, and we're gonna scrape the old sealant here, gaskets. So yeah, I'm gonna use this improvised tool to scrape this thing like this. So you don't need to make it like hard to remove this, because it's really not hard to remove. It's not really difficult to remove this excess or old gasket. Okay, so I already put the gasket maker here, and I already cleaned this thing, and we're gonna put this back, and it's almost done. You know, if these spark plugs, like it's old spark plug, like I've replaced this, it's been a year and a half, yeah, almost 2 years, and it's not really bad. Look at that, it's not black, it's kind of like brown or red, something like that. So if your spark plug is color black around of it here in the tip, so that's a sign that you have a bad spark plugs, or bad ignition coil. But since this one is not really bad, see that, I'm not gonna clean this and reuse this because we have a new spark plugs here. We're gonna replace it. There we go. Now we're gonna put this new spark plugs. Alright, so the new spark plug is in. We're just gonna tighten it, and we're gonna tighten also these bolts of the cylinder head cover. So now let's do this. So I just put back things together: spark plugs, ignition coil, air filter, hose, and yeah, this ignition coil is done. So I'm gonna spray this thing with our brake part cleaner, and we're gonna make a run. We're gonna make a run to make sure that there is no leak again. We're hoping that we fix the problem for this engine oil leak. Right, so what I'm going to do is we'll make a run and see if we fix the problem, hopefully. But first we should start the engine. One click it is. Right. Okay, so right now my wife and I, we're doing a test drive, and just to make sure that I fixed the leak of that engine oil leak. So we're gonna enter this expressway. Actually, we're driving for almost like an hour. Alright, so we're here now, expressway. There we go. And once we reach that destination that we're going to, we're gonna check the engine. Hopefully there's no leak after we do the repair. So let's do this. So now we're here to the place that we can stay for a while and to check this thing here. I think it's good. They don't have a flashlight here, but yeah, let's get my flashlight. So I think we're good. There's no leak and we're dry. Perfect. We're good. Okay, so we're going home, and we just done the test drive of this car, our Lancer MX, and yeah, we fixed the problem of this engine oil leak, and I hope, guys, that you learned some just a little bit information about engine oil leak. If you have a problem like this, or like engine oil leak in your engine, you might have a problem in your valve cover. And yeah, by the way, this place is called Shell Mamplasan, and it's located here in SLEX, or South Luzon Expressway. So yeah, we're going home now because it's 12:10 midnight. So I hope you guys enjoy this short video, and don't forget to subscribe at my YouTube channel, and yeah, thanks for your support.